Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Nutella croissants at home, updated. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees C and thaw puff pastry before you begin. I will walk you step by step through filling, shaping, chilling, egg wash, and baking for flaky, buttery layers with a gooey Nutella center. Follow timing tips for crisp exteriors and non-soggy middles. Keep your workspace tidy and enjoy the process while you bake. Gather 6 ingredients and basic tools before you start to avoid interruptions. You will need puff pastry, Nutella, an egg, butter, flour for dusting, and optional sugar for shine. Use a rolling pin, baking sheet, parchment paper, sharp knife, and pastry brush for egg wash. Measure portions so each croissant gets about 2 tablespoons of Nutella, and keep things chilled between steps and stay organized. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy baking tips. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof meal prep containers make storing extra croissants and Nutella foolproof. They seal tightly, stack well, and save you from sticky fingers during transport. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set and enjoy neater leftovers. Now let's get back to the video. Roll each pastry sheet to about 3-5 mm thickness and cut into triangles. Place about 2 tablespoons of Nutella near the base, fold gently, and roll toward the tip to form classic croissant crescents. Chill rolls on the baking sheet for 15 minutes to set shape. Brush with egg wash for a shiny finish and bake at 200 degrees C for 12-15 minutes until deeply golden and flaky. Let cool before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.